Hey, how you doing? I'm the Don, the godfather of computers. Here with this week's IT security tip, number 27. Routers are $100 at the big box stores. Why do I need to spend $400 on a firewall? The difference between routers and firewalls can be confusing. They essentially serve the same purpose, distributing your internet to the devices on your network. A router, like you purchase at a big box store, is designed to serve the needs of your home, not your business. At home, it's probably more important that your kiddos' Xbox has a great Wi-Fi signal so your little munchkins can play their games or connect to their school classes, rather than being able to deny all internet access from North Korea. But with so many professionals now working from home, you should be segmenting your network so your business is protected on one side, where your kids play their online games or attend classes on the other side. A firewall, unlike a router, is intelligent. You will usually have to pay a subscription fee because there are many more security functions built into the firewall. And the firewall is constantly updating itself to protect against the newest cyber attacks. Unlike a router, the firewall looks at all internet traffic passing through it to make sure the traffic is legit, not a virus, and that the connection was requested from your computer inside your network. They also allow your IT staff or IT partner like us to block access totally to some third world countries known for producing cyber attacks. Since small businesses are a common target of cyber crimes today, if you want to keep your business and your customers' data protected and avoid damage to revenues and the reputation of your business, you will need to start with paying attention to your IT security. A strong firewall is a good place to start. Should you use a software or hardware firewall? Well, software firewalls protect systems by blocking threats and malicious network traffic. The hardware option stops suspicious data from getting into your network. Have you had thoughts about getting a firewall, but are having some concerns? Well, here's what you might be thinking. My small business is low risk. Why do I need a firewall? Criminals don't care what type of business you're in. They send out millions of bots to corrupt computer networks for businesses of every size. In fact, recent statistics show that cyber attacks against small businesses are growing exponentially. You may be thinking hardware firewalls cost too much. The cost of a hardware firewall might sound like a lot of money up front, but the cost of not securing your business could be many, many, many times the cost of the hardware. I know you're thinking you already have a software firewall and antivirus for your business. The problem is, the old-fashioned protection methods will not protect your business from today's sophisticated attack methods. Even higher-ups at Cisco have come right out and said that. Other reasons why you need a firewall could be to control access to your data, to secure database access, virus and malware protection, protects local networks, verifies remote connections, and provides monitoring and alerting services. Firewalls provide a strong foundation for your business's security, but all threats can't be eliminated with a firewall. Since there is quite a large variety of firewalls and every business has unique needs, you may need help deciding what will work best for your business. HBB Tech can help you determine what the right type of firewall is and recommend other strategies to improve your security. If you could only afford to invest in one solution right now, get a really good firewall. A good firewall can also let you know what your staff has been up to and who has spent the last 5 hours on careerbuilder.com. Please don't take the cheap way out and buy your gate to the internet for your business at a big box store. It truly is the gate between your business and the rest of the world, and you will want a strong, armed guard at your gate, not a dumb robot. There is no rule that a firewall is just for business. We can also sell them for use in your home too. So, if your munchkins are playing online games or logging into classes on the same network you're using to connect to your work network, you need to be able to segment your network to protect the business. You need a good firewall. For more help, give HBB Tech a call today at 636-542-8653. That's it for tip number 27. Next week's tip will be physical security matters too. Remember, it ain't personal. It's just business. Till next time.